Welcome, beautiful people, to another episode of Green Thumb Family. It's your boy Ricky Jones Jr. and I am out here. Though excited now, I was utterly crushed. Real quick, let me take you back to a Thursday, and well, actually, no, today's Friday. That was a Monday. On Monday, I was entered into a group on Facebook. It was another gardening group, which I do recommend everybody if you are gardening or doing anything in general. Find a group that you can connect with. The one I happen to connect with is on Facebook. And I was entered into the group. I'll put the group name down below. And shouts out to you all because you saved my life, literally. I uploaded a picture of my raised beds. Of course, you all remember how they look. I uploaded the picture and I was so excited, like, hey guys, thank you for inviting me into the group. These are the raised beds that I'm doing. And, I got a couple likes and then I got a comment that was utterly heartbreaking. Like, heartbreaking. And the viewer there, the fellow group member there, was like, hey, you should check your raised beds because they might be poisonous. Like, poisonous? He was like, yeah, like, I think the pallets that you use to make your beds are poisonous. And I was like, oh, snap. Like, I was hurt. This is a bit of a story, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I was hurt, and I had a whole attitude. I was in a terrible mood that day because I felt like I failed my family, and I just felt like I wasn't doing things right. And just sharing with you all because, I look at y'all as my family, the Green Thumb family. If you're not family, subscribe. Anyway. And I felt like I failed. But then I was like, okay, I have to get out of this rut. I can't live life like this. I can't think like this. I just got to do better. And what did that mean? I had to build new raised beds. And my friends, that's what I did. Within like 2 or 3 days, I have a whole new raised bed situation. Moral of the story is, check the wood that you are using to make your raised beds. Check to make sure that that wood is actually safe and appropriate for gardening, because if not, you'll be like me and putting things out in your backyard that you shouldn't be growing your herbs, your vegetables, your fruits, and your other things in. Okay, so learn from me. Please learn from me. If you haven't done your raised beds or anything in your garden yet, please check the particular woods that are good. And if you have pressure treated wood, please make sure you know what it is treated with. Okay? Alright, so let me show you. Let me show you my situation now. That was my little spiel. But now, see, look. Boom. Old, corruptible, poison beds are here. Like, these were made from pallets, which I was so excited about using these pallets to make the raised beds. I use pallets to make a deck. I'm actually going to do another deck in this area, but that's another video. This one's about the raised beds. Anyway, like, I was so excited. And it's funny because when I did my research, which obviously I didn't do before, but you can. When I did my research, I realized that particularly the blue pallets, which you see here, and the reds pallets, which you will see here. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. The red one and the blue one. I even stacked a red and a blue. Look at me. I stacked the red and the blue, tried to be patriotic. I really did. That was the idea and the concept behind doing a red bottom and a blue top. Like, oh, God bless America. Anyway, these happen to be the most toxic ones. Like, they're different type of pallets, different type of treatments that take place on the pallets, and these, my friends, happen to be the ones that are poisonous and toxic. Would you look at here? Just, but anyway, but I can say that I was able to catch it fast enough that I didn't have to like dump the soil and all that stuff and like restart my whole process. So thank God for that. Again, thank you for the group. Thank you for community. Thank God for family. Okay, now remember, if you haven't already subscribed, this is a family that I'm looking to cultivate and like to bring about. So join the family. Will help you out in times like this. And now, what you've all been waiting for, the new and improved raised beds but my family. Yeah, buddy, you see it. Oh, 6 raised beds ready for that action. And I'm talking about vegetables and herbs, okay? To be specific. So, let me walk you down. Let me walk you down my new garden, okay? So here you have the raised beds. Oh, I'm so excited about it, which, I've already done these. I just lifted it up. I'll show you the process. I just lifted it up. There were like little lines and all. Thankfully, the raised beds and all had some rain, and so the soil was nice and compact, and I didn't have to worry about losing soil due to the lifted up of the sides and all. But I was just able to lift. I built the dimensions correctly and just put it right back down. And this is golden. Like, my marigolds, 2 of them, I think they're dead. I might just go ahead and pull them up, but 2 are still kicking it. And everything else is pretty much in there. Like, my broccoli is growing. Very thankful about that. Another row of broccoli there. My spinach is growing. And I mean, I like it. It's nice and uniform. And something I added now, which I was looking to do before with those boards there, I just went on ahead and made it happen, is another flowering bed. And I'm going to use this bed to do sunflowers. I'm going to do sunflowers here. They're great for bees. They're great for pollinators. But also, my mom loves them. My mom loves sunflowers. So I was like, let me pay homage to Mom Dukes. My mom, whatever you call your mom. My mother, Mama C's, what, her grandchildren call her. But anyway, I was like, let me do this for her. So I'm excited about this. I'm going to do a row of tall ones on the back. I'm going to do this in another video, so don't worry about that. Y'all will see that in another video, but you know where it originated from when you see it. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is my new gardening area, and I'm so excited. Like I said, I'm gonna spill a little tea, put a little tea over the end. What I look to do in this backyard is going to be totally different now that this has taken place. Because look how neat this looks. I can't have a situation this neat and not do something else. I have this open space here that clearly things won't grow over there because waterfall coverage of the tree. The tree is so huge. So things won't grow over there. So I'm going to do something over there. But that's another video, okay? So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when that video takes place, because you'll see me in this outfit because I'm about to do it right now. But I didn't want this video to be long. I just had to show y'all the difference between death and life, okay? Death and life. Now, go ahead and hit that subscribe button like I said before. It's over there. Go ahead and hit that one. It's the thumb. The thumb lets you know it's the Green Thumb family. That's what you're joining. That's what you're being a part of, all right? GTF, all right? It's a way of living. And I'll go ahead and check these videos out. Check them out. And one of them is going to be the new renovation of the backyard, okay? Right there. But check that one out too, okay? You can learn something. I love you all. Until next time. Peace, grow something because you can do it.